So today I'm going to talk about some tips on brushing your dog's teeth at home. You can translate some of this into doing it with your cat as well, but obviously holding them will be slightly different. But a lot of the other principles still apply with cats, and initially teaching them that it's not such a bad thing to get their teeth brushed. What I like to do at the beginning is to let my dog kind of sniff and taste the toothpaste and lick it. She's still getting some benefit this way. She'll move the toothpaste around her teeth with her tongue, and that will provide some action as well, just like that. On your back. Good girl. Okay. When River was a puppy, I started teaching her how to brush her teeth in this position, with her on her back in between my legs. This way I can hold her body with my legs and restrain her pretty well just with my legs. This leaves both of my hands available to use the toothbrush, the toothpaste, and work on the brushing. Once you've kind of accustomed your dog to the toothpaste, they've licked it a little bit, then you can start teaching them that it's okay to get their teeth brushed. You want to make sure that you hold their mouth closed, lift their lip up, and insert the toothbrush right along the gum line of the teeth. Then just rotate the brush in circular motions with it at about a 45-degree angle to the gum line. With the toothbrush underneath the lips and holding their mouth closed, you can easily get to all of the teeth on the outsides. Good girl, River. I started with doing brushing for about just a few seconds at a time when we first started with brushing River's teeth. Then we slowly progressed to doing it for about 30-second time periods at a time. Eventually I've gotten to the point where I can brush her teeth for a couple minutes without any problem. After River became used to getting her teeth brushed, and she didn't mind it so much while I was able to restrain her on her back, I now am able to allow her to sit, and I can brush her teeth this way as well. I usually at first just keep a finger in her collar so she can't walk away. You can also sit somewhere where she has her back to a corner or to the wall. That way they cannot scoot away, or have another person kind of holding them from the back end. Then you can kind of do the same thing where you're holding the mouth closed and just insert the toothbrush right underneath the lip. Moving that brush in a circular fashion, you can get to all of those teeth just on the outside, since this is the main area where most of the tartar and the plaque build up. Do this on both sides of the mouth. I let her lick in between. You can even do the front a little bit if you like, but I usually mainly stick to the sides. Whenever I'm brushing my dog's teeth, I always do it and so that she gets some kind of a reward immediately following getting her teeth brushed. This makes toothbrushing a more fun type of a thing, and they don't mind it so much. I like to brush her teeth every time before she gets her dinner. So every night before dinner she gets her teeth brushed, and then her dinner is her reward immediately after her teeth brushing. Here we'll just give her some biscuits so she has something yummy to remember that it's not such a bad thing to get your teeth brushed. Here, River.